Can we stop it? Can we reverse it? Well, after all, it's a chemical phenomenon, aging, and many chemical reactions are reversible. And we are now beginning to understand what are the major causes of aging. Well, apoptosis is programmed cell death. Every cell has a certain command built into it that it's stopped, it's time to die after so many cell divisions, and that's what it does. So scientists have learned how to interfere with that command. At the end of your DNA, there is a protective cap called the telomere, which erodes as you grow older. And the time comes when that cap is gone, and then your DNA itself starts eroding, and that's one of the reasons for aging. So scientists have learned how to put that cap on. And there are the aging genes, the oxygen radicals, and the antioxidants. So there are many causes. So some exciting developments. 3 years ago, David Sinclair at Harvard Medical School discovered that there was a natural compound called resveratrol. When given to 3-year-old mice, it reversed their ages. And they became younger, their body